गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। आई होप आपने एक्सरसाइज 1.1 कंप्लीट कर ली होगी और एक्सरसाइज 1.2 कराने से पहले आई वांट टू रिकैप्चुलेट सम ऑफ द कॉन्सेप्ट विच यू हैव लर्नड अर्लियर इन प्रीवियस क्लासेस. So the first thing is what do you mean by factors? So factors are nothing but the numbers which you and multiply together, they will get another number. For example, 8. You can get 8 by multiplying 2 and 4, 8 into 1 and 4 into 2. So 4, 2 and 1 and 8 also, they are all factors of the number 8. So the numbers which when multiplied together to form a new number, these numbers are known as factor of the new number. Then what do you mean by a prime number? Prime number is nothing but those numbers which has only two factors, and one of the factor of prime number is 1. So the other factor is the number itself. So prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factor. One of the factor is 1 and the other one is the number itself. So for example, 2 can be written as 2 into 1. So 2 has only two factor, 2 and 1. And since it has only two factors, so it is known as a prime number. Similarly for 3 can be written as 3 into 1. There is no other way of getting 3 from any other number. Similarly for 5 can be written as 5 into 1. We cannot get 5 from any other number. So all these numbers are known as prime numbers, and you have to learn that the smallest prime number is 2. Now composite numbers. So composite numbers are those numbers which have more than two factors. More than two factors, like 4. 4 can be written as 4 into 1, 2 into 2, or in this way 4 has more than two factors. One is 1, other one is 2, and the third one is 4 itself. So in this way 4 has three factors. So since it has more than two factors, so it is known as composite number. Similarly for 6 can be written as 2 into 3 or 6 into 1. So the factors of 6 are 2, 3, 6 and 1. So that is why 6 has more than two factors, so it is a composite number, and the smallest composite number is 4. Now 1 is neither prime nor composite. Why? Because 1 has only one factor, that is 1 itself. If you want to write 1 as multiplication of two number, then it is not possible. 1 can be written as 1 into 1 or 1 itself. So 1 has only one factor, so it is neither composite nor prime. Now prime factorization. Prime factorization is the process of breaking a number into set of prime numbers. I am repeating, it is a process of breaking a number into set of prime numbers. The set of prime number is the important thing, because there are two processes. One is factorization and the other one is prime. Okay, factorization and prime factorization. Just look here, 18 can be written as in these four ways. The first one is 18 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3. 18 can also be written as 2 into 9. 18 equal to 6 into 3 and 18 equal to 18 into 1. In the first case, the three numbers, they are nothing but the prime numbers, but in the next three cases, the numbers are either prime or composite. So in only the first case, the 18 can be written as a product of prime number. So this factorization of 18 is known as prime factorization. This is also a factorization of 18, but in all these three cases, this is known as just factorization, because the numbers involved, they are not prime numbers. Only in the first case, the numbers involved are prime numbers. So the first case is known as prime factorization of 18, and we are going to learn about prime factorization in this exercise. So before doing it, we have to learn one of the most important theorem of this exercise, which is known as fundamental theorem of arithmetic. This is nothing but the process of prime factorization which you already done in your previous classes. So the fundamental theorem of arithmetic says every composite number can be expressed as a product of prime, and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factors occur. So the first line says every composite number can be expressed as a product of prime. As we already done, 18 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3. Similarly here we have a number 510 and we write it as a product of prime. So when we factorize 510, then we get 2 into 5 into 3 into 17. Here also 2 into 3 into 5 into 17, 17 into 5 into 3 into 2. In all these cases the numbers are same. For example, here 510 can be written as product of 2, 3, 5 and 17. In the second case 510 is written as product of 2, 3, 5 and 17. In the third case it is also written as product of 17, 5, 3 and 2. But in all these three cases the only difference is the order in which these number exist. In the first case 2 is at the first place and 5 is at the second place, but in the second case 5 is at the third place, and in the last case 17 is at the first place and 5 is at the second place. So the only difference in these three cases is the order in which these prime factors occur. So fundamental theorem of arithmetic says कि every composite number, अगर आपके पास कोई भी composite number है तो आप उसको एज अ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्राइम एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं, लाइक हमने जैसे यहाँ पे 510 को एक्सप्रेस किया है. एंड दिस फैक्टराइजेशन इज यूनिक. द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस लाइन इज फैक्टराइजेशन इज यूनिक मीन्स 510 कैन बी रिटन एज प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 2, 3, 5 and 17. Apart from these four numbers there are no other number which can be multiplied together to get 510. You can write 510 only as the product of these four numbers. So this factorization unique, but the only difference is the order in which these number exist. So the factorization although is unique, but the order in which these prime factor occur, they will change. So you can change the order as per your need.